Any emergency, please.
Hi, I'm at the abandoned building by Old Sacramento.
Which abandoned building? Do you know the address?
I don't know the address. It's the only one right here between Rail Yard and fucking Old Sacramento.
Okay. Do you know the cross street near Rail Yard?
I Street.
Okay. What's going on?
I've been going to just take this for a long time. You got me fucked up. You're not coming out.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. What's going on?
So he started knifing me. He tried to molest me.
Okay, I need you to tell me more of where you are because you're mapping near Jaboom Street. Does that sound right? Does that sound right?
Huh?
Are you near the I Street Bridge?
Near the I Street Bridge.
Okay. Can you tell me more about what's happening?
He tried to molest me and he threw a knife at me.
Who?
This guy, Johnny.
Do you know who he is? I mean, like, are you cousins? Like, friends?
It was my boyfriend, but he's like playing games.
Okay, did he hit you with the knife?
He stole my stuff. He stole how stuff from my house. Yeah, it's just a messed up situation.
Is he still there?
Yes.
Okay, does he still have the knife?
No, he threw it at me.
Did it hit you?
No, but he has my BB gun. He tried to shoot me with it.
Okay, well, officers are going to want to make sure you're okay. I just want to make sure you don't need an ambulance or anything like that.
I don't need an ambulance, no.
Okay.
He has anyway, he needs to go to jail for his warrant.
Do you know what warrant it is?
For failure to register.
Do you know his last name?
Valcorda. You shouldn't do that to me, motherfucker. Thinking he was going to play me into it. The fuck? You don't do that to people. You don't steal people's stuff.
Better stop! Johnny, stop! I'm gonna take you to the ground! Stop! Drop the gun! Drop it! He's got a gun to his head. Johnny, stop! Johnny, stop!
Hey, people on the trail. He's continuing to get the gun to his head. We can't tell if he's good or not. He's walking with the water.
Don't allow the water. Let me break up your after, please.
I can't see anything.
No. I see him.
He's still walking with gun. He's running. He's walking towards the water.
Copy. So walking towards water.
Let's.
We do have information Can I get that advice?
I don't know if it's BB gun. It just looks as though it's firearms. I don't see it.
Copy. I'm sure if it's a BB gun, I'm sure that.
Under the water. We've lost visual.
Northern Contact Team's going with announcements. The Sacramento Police Department. Any and all pedestrians, we need you to come up to the bike trail with your hands up at this point. Sac PD K9. Johnny Valcorda, we know that you are hiding down there. We do not want to have to hurt you. We need you to come out with your hands up, nothing in your hand, and surrender. You are completely surrounded. Attention on the ground, attention on the ground. This is the Sacramento Police Department. Johnny Valcorda, you are completely surrounded. We know that you are hiding down by the riverbed. We need you to come out with your hands up, nothing in your hands, and surrender peacefully. Sacramento Police Department K9, Johnny Valcorda, if you decide to flee, we will send a dog. That dog will find you, and that dog will bite you. We do not want to have to hurt you. Come out now, surrender peacefully, with your hands up in the air, and walk up to the bike trail. Attention on the ground, this is the Sacramento Police Department. Any and all pedestrians, including their Sherman, we need you to come up to the bike trail at this point with your hands up.
I think the only and the we got running. People are running. People are running on the island over there. Heel.
Johnny Malcorda, we see you. You'll send the gun. Hands up right now.
Good. Yep.
Johnny, hands up!
Stop, 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 stop.
Johnny, hands up!
No, he. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Heel! Heel!
Hey, give up, Johnny! Give me
Stop
hands!
fighting the dog!
Give me hands! Right. Give me the other hand!
Give me the other hand!
Right now! Hey, you get your right. Hey, he's got a gun! He's got a gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Alright, bye.
Where's the gun? I got the gun. I got the gun. Hey, give up, John.
Got a chest seal?
Yeah. Yep. Everybody okay right here?
Let me find some blood. I got blood. He's got one in the arm. No. Get fire. Go through.
They're on their way.
I got
Dog fight. That's Yep. No, I think it's just dog bite.
Okay. Anything else?
I don't see any in his chest yet. I just got this one heavy squirter in his arm.